Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Monday and it's a new week and I'm super excited for this week. So today um it's morning and I want to make breakfast for my family. And I don't know, this happens to be the brightest place in my kitchen. This place, like I have to open the door and face outside. The other places are dark. You see? Okay, I can even stay here as well, but I have to be close to the door. I've opened my window, but there's no adequate light in this kitchen. I think I need to call my electrician to come and put a brighter light for me. I don't know, but I was told that kitchens are not supposed to be bright. But as a content creator, I need my space to be bright, okay? Okay, so I'm making breakfast right now. Um I want to make and tea, bread and tea, but I want to do something different. I don't just want to do just regular bread and tea. I want to do something different. So I want to make like a little filling. Let me show you guys. So I want to make some fillings. I've cut up my cabbage. I want to use cucumbers and what else? With eggs and bama, and that's what I want to do. So I also want to make little salad as well. So that's what I'm doing right now. Okay, hi guys. So today is the last day for school for the term for my son, and I just want to rant. Like, this motherhood thing will not kill me. I'm not with my mic. I don't even know if you guys can hear me, but I'll still talk like that. See, hey Jesus, I've had a lot just this morning. I'm just recovering. I have not been feeling well for like 3 days now, or more than that. I think since Monday or Tuesday. Yes, it started on Monday, but it became severe on Tuesday, and today is Friday, and today is my son's school party, and trust me, I'm not ready for this school party at all. We are asked to bring some snacks, And even this morning, I didn't even want to even take my son for this school party because I'm not prepared. Trust me, I'm not prepared. Just this morning alone has been very, very hectic. Firstly, my son didn't want to eat. He has not been wanting to eat all the food that I have made. Even not feeling well, but I have to stand up, make different meal for him. All the food I have made, he has rejected them. He doesn't want to eat, even when I try to force him. This morning, he has not even eaten anything as I speak. But I packed something for him for lunch. Like, let him go to school. His teachers will feed him because I cannot struggle again. I'm tired. Then, after dressing him up, the outfit, this boy, just for me to dress up and come out, Zayn has already stained the only outfit that I had planned out for today. I don't know. We are just in the car. This is past 9. We've not gone to school. See, I know I'm not a lazy mother. I know I'm trying my best. This is a vulnerable state for me. Like, I'm tired. I'm exhausted. I'm not feeling okay, but I have to push myself to do what I need to do. I have to go now to go and buy the things that I need to take to school, the snacks and the drinks. I'll stop by at the supermarket and I'll go and stop by at the store to buy him another polo because he cannot wear this thing to school like this. The other shirt that I had, I don't have light to iron it. Like, a lot is happening to me this morning. I'm smiling, but it's not funny. It's not funny. I beg. So now we want to just start going to school. Look at the boy. Zayn, answer your name. Zayn. This boy is showing me premium shaggy, but still, he's well with me. Let's start going, I beg. Like, I finished ranting. This whole motherhood thing is not for the weak, but I know that God will give me the strength. The grace is sufficient. Like, that's what I always tell myself. And every single day I ask for strength to survive motherhood every day, because it's not easy. Leave him now. Say hello to your uncles and aunties. Say hello. What? Success, take your time. Sorry. Say hello. You are stressing me. You, this cute little boy. When you just look at his cute little face, you will just pity him. What? Bye. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Let's get going. Hey, leave us. Make we dey do alarm. You dey cheat us. You dey tell me to give you charges. I say leave me with my alarm. I get to buy fuel. Hey. Oh, Jesus. Maybe complete, oh. Thank you. Alright. For what? What about the donuts? Yeah, sorry. Thank you. See what you're making me to go through. Huh? All this. a boy. Oh, from here. This was I've seen 9 years now. 2 to 4 years this is too big for it. 2 to 4 years. Oh, this top is really big. 2 years. See him here now.
Yeah, this one is better size. This one is 2 to 3.
This is big now.
It's size by size. That's what I'm showing. This one is for 6 to 8 years.
Okay.
So it's size by size. This one is 2 to 4 years.
There's not really boyish. How much is this one like this? Hey, more things are costly now. You should say get the money like this. And now you're smiling. Everything don't cost. How much with this one? Hey, Oluwa shadow me. These children are expensive. Oh. Eh?
Weeks later.
Please don't mind my hair. I've not made my hair yet, but it's okay. And I just got a package from Temu. Like this. This is my first time actually ordering from Temu. I haven't ordered before. So I actually tried getting some things like see. And I'm happy that they delivered. So I'm just going to be unboxing the things that I got. I got some school items basically for my son. Water bottles, lunch box. That's what is here. So I don't think I got anything for myself. I don't think so, but I'm going to unbox it now and show you guys. I'm really excited. I'm excited. Let me unbox it. Okay. Oh. These are the things I ordered from Temu. This is like a key motivation card. I don't know if you guys can see it. And this is a wow, this is so small. I think that this thing is so small like this. It's so small. And this one is okay. This one is quite okay. It's like what I expected. But this one is quite small. This one as well. And then this is a lunch bag. What does it look this way? The launch bag. This is not bad, but I thought it was bigger than this. Okay. Quite big, but what the card looks like. They are quite big, but it's still okay. But I wanted it to be more colorful. It's not as colorful as I wanted, but you can make do of it. This says I'm smart, I'm a leader, I am joy, I choose to own my attitude, I love new adventures, I am kind without others, I am kind with others, I am gifted, I can do hard things, I am limitless, I am unique, So yeah, this is a lot of cards that I can use to teach my son positive. See this one, I can and I will. I'm strong. I am safe and secured. I am amazing. I am brave. I'm honest. Failure is okay. I'm enough. This is beautiful. I'm funny. I love myself. Today is going to be a great day. Oh, this is beautiful. I like it. I make others smile. I have great ideas. I will soar. I'm healthy and happy. Yeah, these are beautiful cards and I love them. So these are my orders from Temu. And I like them. They are not bad. They're quite okay.